Hello, and welcome back to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Relax and enjoy Lesson 26. There is no need to memorise. You are doing really well. Now, listen to the English words for today. Just listen. Road, street, car, bus, train, station, travel, trip, journey, drive, ride, walk. Okay, listen to the English words again and repeat them after me. Road, road, street, street, car, car, bus, bus, train, train, station, station, travel, travel, trip, trip, journey, journey, drive, drive, ride, ride, walk, walk. Very good. Now we can make some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. Road trip, street walk, fast car, drive a car, take the bus, train station, travel far, take a trip, long journey, drive to work, ride home, walk slow. Good. Now, just listen. Today we travel by bus. I walk slowly to the station. The road trip is long, but good. The drive home is slow. Now, listen to this simple story using all of the words. Today I travel with my friend. We walk along a quiet street. Then we go to the train station. Our train is ready to leave soon. The journey is long, but we feel happy. We talk and look outside. Later, we take a bus into the city. I see a car on the road. It is a good trip with my friend. After the bus ride, we walk home. Now we rest and remember the day. Finally, Let us hear the English words one more time. Road, street, car, bus, train, station, travel, trip, journey, drive, ride, walk. Okay, that is all for today. Well done. Relax now, and I will see you for the next lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share, and subscribe.